It's rainy season. Look, people. It's a good thing that my roof is from 2019. This is good for at least another 10 years, maybe. It's an architectural shingle roof, but I didn't do it, so I'm probably gonna give it 15-year roof life, so call it another 8 years. But if you are experiencing roof leaks in this downpour, which you can see it's raining so hard that water is coming over my gutters right now. If you're experiencing roof leaks in this downpour, call Perkins Roofing. If you want to stay dry, like my truck's under the carport with a metal roof, then call Perkins Roofing. Polyglass has a 5 to 8% increase, and so do all other materials coming on the middle of April. Roofing tiles are going up 6-7%. Metal, aluminum has already gone up 16%. Metal is going up 5-7%. Everything is going up in the middle of April, 5-8%. Get your projects in now before this happens every day during rainy season. Get your projects in now before prices go up again on the 15th. Do it now, people. Avoid trying to re-roof in this. Avoid the roof leaks. Avoid the drywall damage. It's not fun. I'm doing my kitchen right now. It's not fun having people in your house fixing crap. Better to do it on the outside and them the inside. Get your stuff figured out now because it's only April. It's going to get worse. It's predicted to be a very busy hurricane season. Have us come out for a free inspection. Have us come out for roof maintenance. If you're in a commercial building or own or work in a commercial building, refer me out. If you refer me out to the place where you work, I will give you $500 if they hire me. If you work in a building and they hire me to do roof maintenance repairs, it doesn't have to be a re-roof, I'll give you $500. Now, if you own the building or the manager for the building, I will do a free emergency roof repair for you. Like if this happens and then all of a sudden you have an emergency roof leak, I'll do a free emergency roof repair for you if you hire me for pre-hurricane season maintenance. Which you should do anyway, because you don't want this water to be coming in your house. It's pre-hurricane season. You should be doing a pre- and post-season hurricane season maintenance. Just like my trucks. I change my oil on my trucks every 6 months. You need to be doing the same thing for your roof. Check your roof out every 6 months. All right, people. Hopefully you don't have a roof leak. If you do, call us 561-559-ROOF for Martin, St. Lucie, and Broward counties, or Palm Beach counties. For Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys, it's 305 MIA Roof. And don't forget, we do impact windows and painting and kitchens, like I said, and all the interior stuff as well. Thanks for watching.